Hello students, in this video I will discuss two topics, one map rolling and second redundant group. Okay, so first of all I will discuss about map rolling. See what is the meaning of map rolling. The K map can be rolled. You can roll this map. Okay, means you can roll like this, means this, consider this is the K map and you can roll, you can bring this left and right edges together. ऐसे roll कर सकते हो. You can bring this left and right edges together. Roll कर. I think you are getting this thing like this. You can bring left and right edges together. Like this, you can bring top and bottom edges also together by rolling them. जो top और bottom के edges हैं उनको भी हम साथ में ला सकते हैं. That can also be rolled like this. अच्छा समझ में आ रहा होगा. So map can be rolled horizontally and vertically. जैसे रिक्वायरमेंट होगी हम रोल कर सकते हैं. रोलिंग द पेज, यू नो, आर यू गेटिंग दिस ऐसे रोल करना, सिंपल ऐसे रोल करना. So we can roll the map. I hope it's clear to all. So we can bring left and right edges together by map rolling, and like this we can bring top and bottom edges together of the map. This is called map rolling. Okay. And while you are making the group, you are making the octet, quad or pairs, whatever you are making, you have to be careful about the map rolling also. So here I am going to discuss few possibilities. Listen. Consider it is two ones are here and two ones are here. Okay. So by map rolling, if you bring that top and bottom edges together, by map rolling, these four ones will be adjacent. Okay. Think about this. If you bring them together, if you roll the map, these four ones will be adjacent. अगर हम top और bottom edges को साथ में लाएं by map rolling, so these four ones will be adjacent. So we can draw a quad. We can draw a quad by map rolling. You can see, and we'll bring them together. It will make a square will be made there, and you can see a quad will be designed. Quad will be made. Okay, is it clear to all? And like this, and if you'll not take care of, think students, if you're not taking care of map rolling, what mistake you can do? Here you will, if you are not taking care of map rolling, you will draw these two pairs, which is wrong. You can, if there is possibility of quad, you cannot make pairs. It is wrong approach. Okay. So while you are making the group, please be careful and think about the map rolling also. So here by map rolling, we can draw a quad like this. We can draw a quad like this. Please listen, watch this video carefully, repeat it again, and please remember this. Okay. Now another possibility I'm going to tell you. Consider four ones are here and four ones are here. So by map rolling again, if you bring that top and bottom edges together, these 8 ones will be what? Octet. They can make a octet. So we will make like this. And these 8 ones together will make a octet, make an octet. Okay. So this is one of the possibility. Then consider one more example I'm going to tell you. Not vertically only, horizontally also we can. Consider 2 ones are here and 2 ones are here. Okay. Ones or zeros, whatever. In case of SOP, we fill 1. In case of POS, we fill 0. So 1 is here. So by map rolling, we can draw a quad here. Okay. Consider at the same time we have here also 1. So by map rolling, we can draw a quad here. And if you will not take care of the map rolling, you will do the mistake. You will draw the pairs. That is incorrect. Okay. And one special case I'm going to discuss now. Listen. See, if you have ones in all 4 corners, if you have 1 in all 4 corners, if we have one in all four corners like this, मतलब चारों corner पे एक एक one है. Okay, so you can bring all four, that is also allowed. You can bring all four corners together. If you bring all four corners together like this, जैसे ये corner यहाँ लाए. Consider the space is here, and we are bringing this corner together, and like together, all four corners we are bringing together. We are trying to bring together. चारों corner पास में ला दिए. If you bring all four corners together like this, these all four ones can make a quad. Please remember this. This is also one of the possibility, and you can draw a quad if all four corners have ones or zeros like this. And how to draw? See how I am drawing this. Here one, 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 and one. This we have. Okay, so all four corners can make a quad. And see how I am drawing. Exactly like this you should draw. 1/4 part of each box I'm taking. So this is one of the possibility of quad. You can draw like this also. Okay, so this is the concept of map rolling, and please remember this while you are making a group. Now, second topic which I am going to discuss here is what redundant group. Please see the definition I have already written here. When all the ones and zeros of a group are used in another group, then such group is called redundant group. Means in case of octet, you know how many ones or zeros an octet has? 8. Okay. So if all 8 ones have been used in another group, so that octet will be treated as redundant group, and that must be removed from your K-map. In case of quad, you know quad has 4 ones or zeros. So in case of quad, if all 4 ones, all, I am emphasizing the word all. देखो यहाँ पे ध्यान देना. Please take this word all. Means चारों वन. अगर क्वाड के केस में चारों वन अगर किसी दूसरे ग्रुप में यूज हो गए हैं, then that group will be called, that quad will be called redundant group. In same manner, in case of pairs, if both ones, you know pair has 2 ones, so if both ones have been used by another group, then that pair will be called redundant, and that must be removed. Okay, means in case of octet, if all 8 ones, in case of quad, if all 4 ones, in case of pairs, if both ones have been used by another group, then that groups are called redundant group, and they must be removed from the K-map. See, I am giving the example of this. Consider here 1, 1 we have, here 1, 1 we have, 1, 1, and here 1, 1. Okay, we have this. So you know how to draw, and 1, 1 is here. Check यहाँ और एक 1 यहाँ पे. I'm giving the example. See, 1, 1. So by map rolling, we will draw this quad, this and this quad. Okay. Now you can see 1, 1 is left here. So what can be done? अब see, actually जो redundant group होता है by mistake ही बनता है. See what can be done. Here you will think that we will draw this pair, or you can draw this pair. Okay, pair we can draw because there is no possibility of quad for this one. So we are making what? A pair. Okay, now 2 pairs I have made here. What is the now see? Think about this this pair, जो vertically मैंने बना. Any one of them, one of these 2, we have to remove. See why? So I am discussing this pair, vertically जो बना. See, both ones of this pair have been used by another group. This one have been used by this pair, and this one have been used by this quad. दोनों वन किसी दूसरे ग्रुप में यूज हो चुके हैं. It means this is a redundant group. Okay. If you'll think about this vertical, horizontal, this is also a redundant group. Any one of किसी एक को भी हटा देंगे तो redundant group नहीं रह जाएगा. एक हटाना पड़ेगा. दोनों नहीं हटाएंगे. देखो. So here both one, you can see of this group also, this pair also, both one, ये one is quad में use हो चुका है और ये one is vertical वाले pair में use हो चुका है. So this is also what? Redundant group. So one of them we have to remove. So one I am removing. कोई एक हटा सकते हो, horizontal या vertical. So I'm removing any one of them. Okay. So if I'm sorry. So if you are drawing like this only, consider I am not making the horizontal one, I am making the vertical one. Now there is no now redundant group has been removed. अब देखो कोई redundant group नहीं है. Okay. Okay. In case of like this, in case of quad, if there are all four ones have been used by another group, then that is called redundant group. Okay. Let me tell you what's with one more example. Now see this example. Here I have drawn, I have made four quads. You can see, and see the quads which I have made using red color. See this one, all four corners. I have made a group, I have made a quad using all four corners with the red color. Please watch, go through that. That is a redundant group. Why it is? See, you can see. I'm talking about which quad which I have made using red color. चारों corner को देखो मिला के मैंने quad बनाया. Okay. So all four ones you can see have been used by another group. दूसरे group में use हो चुके हैं. Please check. See, I'm talking about this one by one चलते. This one have been used in this vertical group. देख सकते हो. This one also have been used in this vertical group. You can see. This one you can see have been used in this group which I have made by map rolling. ये K map से ये जो map rolling जो बना है. Map rolling से जो quad बना इसमें use हो चुका है. ये वन भी इस मैप रोलिंग वाले क्वाड में यूज हो चुका है. चारों वन, इस जो चारों कॉर्नर वाले वंस हैं, चारों वंस किसी न किसी ग्रुप में यूज हो चुके हैं. सो इट इज रिडंडेंट ग्रुप एंड इट मस्ट बी रिमूव्ड फ्रॉम द के मैप. ओके. इन केस ऑफ क्वाड, इफ ऑल फोर्स नॉट, अगर क्वाड में कोई तीन ही वन यूज हुआ, एक वन यूज नहीं हुआ किसी दूसरे ग्रुप में, तब नहीं. ऑल फोर वंस हैव बीन यूज्ड बाय अनदर ग्रुप, देन इट इज कॉल्ड redundant group. Okay, so this four corners जो मैंने quad बनाया है, वो this is what redundant group here, because you can see all four, उस चारों वन को चेक करो, they have been used by another group. दोनों सब किसी न किसी दूसरे ग्रुप में यूज हो चुके हैं चारों. Okay, so this is such group is called redundant group and you must remove from the K map. You must remove such group from the K map because that will not produce the correct result. Okay, so it must be removed. Second thing, so one suggestion for you all, while you're drawing the group, while you're making the group, please draw or make using pencil. Okay, when it is confirmed, I'm talking about while you're writing the examination especially. So when you are confirmed that there is no redundant group, my group and the groups which I have already made is correct, then finalize it through pen. Okay. So thank you students. In this video I have discussed about map rolling and redundant group. Please watch this video carefully, watch this video carefully and learn. Okay. So thank you students. Bye to all.